Hey guys, it is JP from All Things Gizmo, and I'm here today to do a quick video about a case that I received from Anatech. This is the soft touch hot shell case for the MacBook 12-inch, and I always tell people, if you're gonna spend that much money on a laptop, get the case for it, because you need to protect your laptop. And this is, when they say soft touch, and trust me guys, something about this case, it is soft touch. As soon as you touch it, you feel the gel, like there's something about it. When you touch it, it just feels good. I love it. I've been using it for about 3 days now, and I've been really enjoying it. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit go around everything. If you guys, everything is covered, and this part is not. This is where you charge your laptop. Everything is good here. Everything else is covered, and this is where you put your headset for music and everything else is covered. They do have those section in the back that, if you with a laptop, that's where the fan will be. But with the MacBook 12, there's no fan, and a lot of people think the MacBook 12 does not get hot. It does get hot a little bit, but having this in there really helped. So I was really impressed by it. It does not, the MacBook 12 does not feel heavy using it with the case. Some cases are heavy duty. This is the soft touch. It's lightweight. It's really good, and you don't have to worry about gaining a lot of weight, because this is a really light laptop. You don't feel like you're gaining a lot of weight with this, and it does protect it. If you drop it or anything, it will protect it for you. You can't beat that. You really can't beat that. And then it's only $16.99 to protect your $1,300 investment. You can't, for $16.99 you can't beat that. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Please subscribe to my channel, because there will be more video like this. Until then guys, that was JP from All Things Gizmo. Bless up.